Sense of speech. Renew your sense. Guided Meditation Day 2. The sense of speech is one of life's most important gifts to us. The sense of speech is not only the physical pronunciation of words, but also your inner broadcast to the world around you of what you feel and experience. It is about all spiritual speech. When we broadcast love, compassion, joy, and support to the world through our words, the world becomes better and more perfect around us. Let's start a meditation practice. Please sit comfortably. Straighten your back. Put your hands on your knees. Turn your palms towards the sky. Relax your body. Relax your legs, heels, knees. Relax your abdomen, chest. Relax your shoulders, neck, and head. Let all thoughts and worries of this day disappear. You are here and now. Close your eyes. Pay attention to your body and the sensations in it. Eyes closed. Follow my voice. Follow me. Take a deep breath and deep exhale. Repeat 3 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, direct your attention to the throat and heart area. These are the Vishuddha and Anahata chakras. Try to feel the feeling of love in your heart. Start filling your throat with love from the heart. Feel a slight warmth in the throat area. And now, repeat after me out loud. Eyes remain closed. I am. I am. I consciously open my sense of speech to this world. I consciously open my sense of speech to this world. Every time I talk to someone, I pass on love and light. Every time I talk to someone, I pass on love and light. I am grateful to God and the universe that I have the gift of speech. I can speak. I am grateful to God and the universe that I have the gift of speech. I can speak. I love myself. I love this world. I love myself. I love this world. Continue to remain in a state of calm, harmony, and balance. My dear friend, our sense of speech is a great gift given to us by God and the universe. Through the sense of speech, you can give love and joy to this world. I wish you that the universe always envelopes you with its love, and that your every true wish comes true. I give you the warmth of my heart and my soul.